Hey, it's KJ Designs, channel with free graphics design tutorials in Affinity Designer. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw, how to create a professional modern logo with gradients in Affinity Designer using just simple steps as I'm going to be showing you. For those of you that are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button so that you get notified when a new upload is made. Without wasting of time, let's get started. So we are going to make this modern X logo just by following the steps, simple steps that I'm going to be showing you. We are going to apply the two colors in gradient form. So now we're going to grab our rectangle tool, draw a simple rectangle basing on this link on this sketch. I provided the link of the sketch in the description below. So we are going to increase the stroke size of the rectangle up to 3 pt. So now you're going to select our triangle, convert it to curves, select the node tool, highlight the downer curve point. By holding shift, drag to the right so that it can be diagonal, just like that. So out of this diagonal rectangle, you're going to make a duplicate out of it. Left, right click, duplicate. So you're going to flip it to the horizontal, so that it appears like that. So select the node tool, highlight the down curve points, holding shift, drag to the left, so that it appears like that, really coming up with the X logo that we want. So we are going to make a duplicate out of this exact diagonal rectangle. So move it a little bit to the right, make sure that it snaps into the other rectangle, just like that. So here we are with our three diagonal rectangles forming up the X logo that we want to create. So now we are going to increase the stroke size of all these triangles. Select all of them, go to stroke, and then increase the width of their stroke to at least 30. That will be better. 30. After increasing the width of the stroke, we are going to use the exo tool. That's like the shape builder in Affinity Designer. So select all, click on the exo tool that is in the right corner, select the node tool. So by using this tool, hold Control, click on the unwanted line so that it can be deleted. Hold Control, right click on the unwanted line. This works as well as the shape builder tool that is in Adobe Illustrator. So guys, if at all you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, the subscribe button. So here we are we are yet to come out with our final logo, just a few steps remaining. So we are going to create gaps by creating a point, the line, hold Control and delete so that we come up with such a gap. Click anywhere on the line and delete the line, that line, just like this, so that we come up with these small gaps. So now here we are with our X logo. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, just like that. We are on the left with applying our gradient colors. Now the sketch is no longer wanted, so you can remove it from the background. We are left with filling the stroke with colors, with gradient colors. So we're going to increase the width up to 40. Yeah. So select our shape, go to layer. We have gone to, go to layer, expand stroke. Now we're able to apply any color, any gradients to our stroke, because now it's been transferred. Because right now we can apply fill color to the stroke. So select we're going to apply the gradients by selecting the fill tool. So apply our gradients just like that, make it to be diagonal. Yep, select the picker, pick the color. So we're going to apply light green in the left upper side, and then pink in the right downer side of the logo. Yeah, just like that. We have now come up with what we wanted. Yeah, with the exact logo that we wanted. So now we are going to apply a background color. So select the rectangle tool, draw a large rectangle. Yep, draw a rectangle. So we are going to fill it with dark blue. Yeah, dark blue will work better with the dark blue color. Just like this, the dark blue color. So we are going to move it to the back. So right click, arrange, move to back. Yeah, so now this looks much more better. Yeah, for those that have been with me through this tutorial, thank you guys. Those that are new to this channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button so that you get notified whenever a new tutorial is uploaded. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed.